Welcome friends. We have discussed how to create a PowerPoint presentation slide, and this is the first slide, types of flowers. We have chosen text box, then in the text box we have written types, then another text box we have written of, then another text box we have written flowers. We can also use only one text box, but for the convenience I have used three text boxes. Then design, using design tab we can choose styles as per our convenience. So there are various type of styles. Then using background styles we can change the background color, image, and also we can format background by using gradient fill, solid fill, and picture or texture fill by using picture texture fill and selecting file. And from this you can select any folder of your choice, and from there you can select your background of your choice. Then now there are animations, slide animation, transition, slide transitions. So there are various types of slide transitions are there, we can see. Now we will custom animation to text. Yes, custom animation. Here is add effect. Add effect is written here. Yes. And we will choose the effect entrance. Then maybe anyone may be chosen. Yes. Then bounce. It's bounce animation. Then entrance. We can choose different ones. So different types of animation effects are there. We can see how we can apply it. Variety of effects are there. Then similarly for the off, we can choose so many effects. I have applied many effects. But usually we apply only one effect at one time for the sake of time or time convenience. So this is like this, types of flowers. This is the first slide of our presentation PPT. Then second slide, we are creating a text box and writing, discussing 13 flowers. I'm sorry, here is 3 is written, but I will correct it later. Discussing 13 flowers. Now I will write the name of the flowers, 13 flowers. I'm using list pattern. You can use bullet pattern also. You can select from these. So I'm using list 1, 2, 3. Yes, these are bullets, but I'm not using these. Yes, I'm using this one. Then writing anemone, first flower anemone, then begonia, then this one is carnation, then daffodil, then next one. I will write it later, but we can write it like this. So in only in one text I have written all these. anemone, begonia, carnation, daffodil, dahlias, daisy, iris, lily, orchid, peony, roses, sunflower, tulips. So this is like this. I have changed their color, text color, using the color tab. Then now I will change its background style. So what will suit? Yes, this one. But all slides color have been changed. So I will select again white, then yes. Select it, apply to only the selected slide, not for all slides, only for the selected slide. Yes, I have applied for the selected slide. Then another slide. Now, yes, I'm custom animation discussing 13 flowers. I have corrected 13 flowers. Then customing text animation, add effect. Yes, again the same process. Yes, they all. Now this is like this. Speed is very fast. The custom animation box. Yes, and this is it. Then 1 2 is written. Two effects have been applied here. Yes, so this is the slide transition. You can choose any one from these. Then another slide. Next slide. Now another text box is chosen, and I am writing anemone. Anemone has been written here. Now anemone, I will change its color and size, text size, font style. I have changed it already. Then anemone, then from picture, insert tab, picture, selecting picture. Here is types of roses folder, and I will select anemone. Then adjust it. This is big one. You can adjust it by clicking on the corners. Maybe you can try other way, but by clicking on the corners it is very easy. Yes, now this is anemone flower, and the picture has been adjusted according to our choice. Now I will write. Yes, this is formatting the picture. These are various styles, different styles, and you can choose according to one's choice, or what will suit this presentation. Yes, this one. Then I will write content. I have already taken from the internet anemone content and content about anemone flower. So creating another text box, then yes, pasting the content, and this is like this. Now selecting and changing its size, then color, not changing font style, only color. Yes, this one will suit. Then I will adjust text later. Now this is like this. Yes, again the background styles are there, and I'm using what will suit. Yes, this one is more visible and clear. Yes, so this slide is like this. Then adjusting it once more. Adding effect to any money. Add effect. Yes, this is like this. Very beautiful. Adding effect to any money. Then so slide has been completed. Another slide. Again using the same process. So I will do for all the slides, and I have already created all these slides. Then last one slide for last, I will write thank you. Thank you so much. Now, so these are the slides I have been created. Now for another slides.